Hello viewer, I have that image for editing, so let's create and edit the image by using the different features. Here I will take a curve to decrease the brightness, and the visibility will increase by using this option. So let's select only that part. Here we will make the selection, apply the camera raw filter. So there we have a lot of options, and apply there. Now add some colors and the brightness on that part. It's an exposure, contrast as well, vibrance there. So then